Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be doing some DIY Valentine Day shirts. I already did two, so this will be my third shirt that I did. So I wanted to make it something really simple that really anyone can do. So really, I just wanted to give you guys a couple of tricks that I learned in this process. For one, you want to make sure that your shirt is wrinkled. I'm sorry. You want to make sure that your shirt is not wrinkled. Mine is wrinkled right now. I need to iron it, but I'm like in a rush right now. I'm trying to get this video done before I go to therapy. I got a lot of running around to do. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I do want to hurry up and get this done. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start the sketching process, and then before I paint it, I will iron it or steam it. So this is a shirt for my toddler. So first thing you want to do is get a piece of paper and measure it to about the size of the design that you want to do. So I'm going to put the design about here, and I'm just going to go ahead and design what I want to do for him. Now, it was kind of hard for me to think of what to do for a little boy for Valentine's Day. And I decided to just do like a green or a blue heart. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw in that heart. And I'm using a erasable color pencil. You guys can use whatever you want. This is definitely hard to see when I'm tracing through. You guys can use a light box. It'll make it a lot easier. But what I did for the three of mine was just go over this with a dark black marker. Yeah, that's off-centered, but that's fine. I should have definitely did the lettering first. So I want to do heart and then the word breaker. So I really just want to play with these letters until I find something that I like. So really, I don't need this shirt right here right now at this moment. I just wanted to kind of look at it to get like a visual idea of how I wanted it. So I know that this heart needs to be here, more centered. And I definitely want to get like a final draft of this before I transfer it on the shirt. But guys, this tutorial is going to be like really easy. It's basically just a matter of painting your image on. But I did want to show you guys some tips that I learned along the way that might help you guys. So now I'm just playing with the lettering so that I can get an image that I visually like, that, you know, looks good to me. I'm pretty sure that you guys can like look on some free sites and get some like free printables or something. But I just really wanted to make this handmade, hand-drawn. Alright guys, so once you have an image that you're happy with visually, then you want to go ahead and block it in with a marker, or you can use a light box. You can stick this on a light box, stick it inside within the shirt, and trace it out. Okay guys, so once you have your image traced, then all you're gonna do is paint. I'm painting with a very limited palette, which I like. You don't wanna, but you definitely want to map out the colors and all that before you do it. I would suggest that you guys, after you trace your image, you can even color it in and use that as a reference or whatnot. But I already have an idea of what I want to do. I want to use the colors green and blue for this shirt. And another tip, you want to use the right brushes, guys. If you have a lot of really small areas, then lettering and all that, even if you want to line this in a certain way, I suggest that you use a very fine pointed round brush. For filling in, you can use a flat brush. Just make sure that you use the right brushes in this process, because it will make it so much easier and so much neater. And that's also this tutorial. You want to basically read the directions. With these paints, it says that I could put 1 or 2 layers. So that's just exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and paint 1 layer, let that dry, and paint another. So guys, I suggest that you take your time when painting these. You definitely don't want to rush, and you want to be very confident with your strokes and your brush marks. So don't be scared if you want to like practice before you start. But this process is just, it's so relaxing. I really enjoyed painting these shirts, and I would definitely see myself making more of these in the future. If you do make mistakes, just go with it. I didn't plan on making this such a thick line, but since that happened down here, I had to go with it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. This is the finished result. I'm gonna let this, well, it's not the finished result. This is the first layer. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do another coat, and I'm going to steam it, and it's gonna be all done. So I'll probably put in some pictures of how it all turned out. These are going to be Valentine shirts for my kids to wear for Valentine's Day, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. Make sure that you guys like this video if you enjoyed this. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you are, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you guys tap that bell so you can get a notification each time that I post, because unfortunately I don't have a set time that I post. And I hope that you guys enjoy Valentine's Day. Share the love, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.